Oh, honey, let me just start by saying I am so sorry you're going through this. I mean, talk about a nightmare. You never think you're going to be in this place, right? And then, bam, here you are, and it feels like you're trying to hold the world together with just your bare hands. Okay, first things first, your feelings are totally valid. This situation completely sucks, and you have every right to feel upset. Now, let's talk about emergency custody orders. I know it sounds super legal and overwhelming, but I'm here to help you through this. Basically, it's like hitting the panic button when you need to protect your kid, like a shield. You know you need one when things get really serious. We're talking about situations where you can't just wait around. It's got to be dealt with now. In Pennsylvania, there's this thing in the law that lets you go for an emergency custody order when you feel like your child's well being is really at risk. We're not talking about minor stuff like a missed bedtime. No, this is big stuff, like if there's abuse, neglect, or something else that's putting your kid in immediate danger. I had a friend who needed one because her ex was pulling all kinds of dangerous stunts, and it was just, ugh, not okay. Okay, so here's how it works. You file a petition with the court. I know, court sounds scary, but it's basically just paperwork that says, hey, look, this is why I need this order and I need it fast. You'll explain what's happening, be clear, be detailed, don't sugarcoat it. This is one of those times when you lay it all out there. And listen, this isn't something you want to try to do on your own. Having a good lawyer in your corner can make all the difference. Like seriously, having someone who knows the ropes, it's a game changer. Now, once you file, what happens next? Usually, the court tries to handle it pretty quickly. They're going to look at your situation and decide if your kid really is in immediate danger. And here's the thing, judges, they're just people too. They've got a heart and they want to make sure kids are safe. So if you can show that this is one of those critical moments, they're going to listen. But let's talk about what happens if they grant it. If the court gives you that emergency custody order, it basically means you've got the temporary right to make decisions for your child. It could mean they stay with you, or it could adjust visitation rights. It's really about making sure they're safe in the short term while you sort everything else out. And girl, I know this sounds like a lot, and it is. But remember, it's all about keeping your kids safe. Nothing else matters more right now. You might feel overwhelmed, like you're drowning in all this legal stuff, but take it one step at a time. Breathe, make a list, and tackle it. Now, here's something to keep in mind. This emergency order, it's temporary. It's like a Band-Aid while you work on healing the bigger wound. You're going to need to follow up, maybe go to more hearings, and eventually work towards a more permanent custody arrangement. This is just to get you through the immediate crisis. Oh, and you might be thinking, what's going to happen with the ex? Like, are they going to flip out? Well, maybe. People react all kinds of ways when they're faced with this stuff. But remember, you're doing this to protect your kid. You're not trying to win points or get back at someone. You're being the mama bear your kid needs right now, and that takes guts. And speaking of which, don't be afraid to lean on your support system. Your family, your friends, like me, hello, we're all here for you. You're not alone in this, okay? And it's okay to ask for help. In fact, you should. This isn't the time to try and go it alone. So, how are you holding up? I know this is a lot to process, but your strength amazes me. Seriously, you might not feel like it right now, but you're doing such an incredible job. Just getting up every day, fighting for your kid, that's heroic. You've got this. I believe in you because I know how much you love that little one of yours. And okay, let's say things don't go as planned. Maybe the court doesn't grant the order right away, or things take a different turn. That's when you regroup. You don't give up. You adjust your strategy and keep being that fierce advocate for your child. This isn't over until your kid is safe and sound. You know who I think you should talk to? Petrelli Previtera. Seriously, they're the real deal when it comes to family law. If you haven't called them yet, go to petrellilaw.com or just give them a call. They'll know exactly what to do and help guide you through every step. And remember, you're not just doing this for yourself. You're setting an example for your kid, showing them what strength looks like. So grab that phone, make those calls, and let's get you the help you need. You're not in this alone, not for a second. I'm here and I'm not going anywhere. Neither are those folks at Petrelli Previtera. You can do this one step at a time. And hey, anytime you need to vent, I'm just a call away, okay? All right, deep breath. You've got this. You really do.